Hello. So, if you forgot my name, hi, my name is Madison, and we're in quarantine, but like I'm in my car because I'm gonna go driving, and then we might go to the pet store because we need stuff. But yeah, so today is Friday, April 10th, 12:54, and Easter's on Sunday, and we can't do anything because of Corona. But that's kind of annoying. But we don't really do anything anyways. I would want to, like invite my cousins over or something, but we can't. So I'm gonna do a little review. But I got 2 pairs of sunglasses from Sojos, and I also got 2 pairs of like, they cut out the glare on their computer. They're like blue screens or whatever. So I'm gonna test out the sunglasses because it's kind of sunny. So here's the case. It's a little triangle. I haven't seen these yet. So here's the first pair. And it came with a screwdriver. I honestly don't know what for. Sorry if it's shaky. I don't have anything to prop my phone up on. It's lunchtime. Okay, so here are the first pairs. They're really light.
Ooh, I like those.
Those are cute.
Are they dark?
You can't see my eyes, but like they're kind of dark. Like they're not really dark, but they're kind of dark. It's polarized. I don't know what that means, but. And then we have, let me put this back. So I like these a lot. I'll leave their links down below if you guys want to go check them out. So like my mom owns a barbershop. We live in like the HEB area of Texas. And Tarrant County has closed all barbershops because of the coronavirus. And there's a barbershop still open. And they're not doing anything about it. So we're going to go see if they're open today. I think I already said it's Friday, but. So there's these, and then they are pretty dark. These are a little bit on the heavier side. I don't like these on me. They look way better on my mom, so these are gonna go to her. And I like these ones, they're light, and I'll be able to wear them, so. They're still open. Okay. These are actually cute.
Hey guys, it's Sunday. Happy Easter. And today we were in Madison's room. Let's see how messy it is. Let's see. Shoes, clothes, dishes. There's Madison in her bed. Look at over here. All the stuff on her floor. And yeah. So this is going to be cleaning our room, or her room. So she's going to get out of bed and start cleaning her room. Aren't you? Aren't you? What the heck is this? See, this is what she does. She'll try on clothes and then take them off and leave them in her bed. And look, so get out of bed.
Ow! You see her abusing me?
You see her room? Get out of bed.
Then don't come in if you don't like it.
What?
What?
What? What? Quarantine life. Get up. Get up.
Ow. I can't breathe. Get up. Those are
So I'm really liking these sunglasses that we got from Sojos. They're also located on Amazon. This is one pair. We've got the other pair on. And I really like them. They really cut out the light of the sun. So, getting the pool area cleaned up. Nice sunny day. It's going to be 80 degrees. Madison doesn't do anything. We live on a noisy street. So let's go look at the chickens. There's our baby chick. You can see her. She's in there. And then the two other hens are in the back. There's our other two chickens. Blondie and Red. Unique names, right? There's one side of the garden. Some radishes. And here's another garden.
This is my Oreo.
It was.
And it ate Carl.
Huh?
His name's Carl. Okay, this is Fred. And he's chocolate and creamy. Oh my god. This is Carlos. Can you stop taking my Oreos? Okay, so like Sojos also sent me these glasses that cut out the blue screen. So I got one for me and one for my mom, and because I'm on my computer a lot lately. So here's the box they come in. My band music just fell. And they come with the cleaning thing, a flashlight, I don't know what this is, but that thing, and then the screwdriver, and then it comes with a little bag, and then look, she's making a tofu turkey dinner. And then here's the ones I like. So here are these. So I'll leave their link on Amazon, their website, if they have one, so y'all can go get your pair of blue screening glasses because they really work well. Here, I'll put those on. Put them on me. I like those better.
I like these better. That's why these are mine.
So I'm gonna play a little bit of Sims. This will be on my phone, and then I will probably vlog again when my mom is making Easter dinner or lunch. Oh, it's gonna be dinner, right?
Yeah.
So I can help. So yeah, and she's gonna vlog too. My mom is gonna start vlogging because she doesn't have work or anything. So, but yeah, right.